Yeah!
What's up?
Hey, what's going on? The brilliant Mr. Pedro?
Well, I wanted to find out, are we live?
We are live at this moment, yes.
Well, it's been a while, but I'm going to ask you a question, buddy boy. You know what I'm going to ask you?
No. I have no clue.
I'm going to come out the closet and ask you.
What?
Are you down with the secret XRP? No, you do it better than me. You do
it. The secret XRP. But it sounds, then I go, yeah, you know me. It sounds like, wait a minute. Are you down with XRP?
Yeah, you know me.
Are you down with XRP?
Yeah, you know me.
Are you down with XRP?
Yeah, you know me.
Who's down with the XRP?
Oh, the XRP family that believes in the family of the XRPs, and you know what?
Yeah. Well, I would like to welcome everybody to XRP Family. My name is Jeff Digital, and we have my co-host, the brilliant Mr. Pedro. Mr. Pedro, your glasses for the day and the reason.
Well, I do have lights that brightens me. I'm actually very, very dark.
I see you're the brilliant. Because it's bright, brilliant Mr. Pedro.
No, is that the lights kind of bother me? I need to maybe lower something. I don't know what it is.
No, it's fine. And
maybe I can just. No, I'm fine. I don't need the glasses.
Do you need the glasses? No, it's fine. You can put the glasses on. It's fine.
Are you saying I look great?
I'm saying you look wonderful, brother. Brother, you look wonderful.
All right. So I want to answer any questions that all of our fans have in the chat.
Okay.
Let's see what questions they have.
It says, why? Why the glasses, somebody asked.
Well, that's because I'm down with XRP.
Oh, it's Beauty by Luisa asked you why. Shout out to Beauty by Luisa. She's our moderator. She's the one that one day I'll meet her. But yeah, she's our moderator for our live. So shout out to Beauty by Lisa. She's doing volunteering. So don't worry, one day we'll pay you, Luisa.
One day.
Yes.
That better be now. No, but
shout out to Luisa. She has a line of Colombian jeans coming up soon, so you guys gonna get a head start on that soon, and she also going to sponsor us soon, so we're gonna get into that too. What else? I seen that XRP went up today. Have you seen that?
XRP?
Yeah.
It went to 89 cents, right?
No, it went to like $1.05
already, and that was like an hour ago or maybe 2 hours ago. I saw it. I was watching the charts. Wow, that's crazy because I was watching.
Yeah, right now it's right now is on under $1, but it's like $1 now. But yeah, congratulations to everybody who's making money in the cryptocurrency market because XRP is not the only one that went up. Bitcoin went up. We're gonna talk about that. Also, the US dollar went down. So we have an article today talking about how it relates to Bitcoin going up and the US dollar going down.
I don't know how that's actually related.
But in this article, they made it relate.
They made it relate.
Yes.
So are they saying that when the stocks go up, the dollar goes down too?
No, it's the dollar goes down probably because the dollar goes down because probably of how would I put this? It has an influence in a lot of things, but mostly with the high inflation going on right now.
Yeah.
And because of inflation, you have to things become more expensive, so you need more dollars to produce. And of course, the dollar is printed out of thin air, so it devaluates every time you print more and more. So it's just like right now is it's like right now the dollar. We're gonna go check the article. Apparently it's going down. It's going down, but you know what's going up?
BTC,
XRP,
ETH,
booming.
XRP is booming.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it's definitely booming. Let me go ahead and check this article out. Let me go check here. Also, we're also gonna get into Ripple, how Ripple's expansion in Asia continues. So we're gonna get into that. Also, before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you hit the notification button so you can hear us coming every day. I guess
every day.
Yeah. No, make sure don't pay attention to me.
All I know is that we will make sure that people are aware of the trends at xrpfamily.com, at XRP Family on YouTube, the XRP Family Show on Twitch, XRP Family on Facebook, XRP Family on, I don't know where else. Wherever the news is at, that's where we at. That's all I know.
Yes, what I'm talking about. Because right now we're in the we also open a Patreon. So we're gonna start putting in the links, and you guys go ahead and support us because we do this for free. But
we volunteer. But you know what? We're volunteering to the universe because we want the universe to be happy with us.
Yes.
And whatever we give out, we get back. We know that, but we also want to save people from the upcoming reset, economic reset, which will be booming.
Also, for those who invest, it's going to be a heartache for those that catch them off guard.
Yeah,
so that's what we're trying to warn the people, our family and friends about what's going on,
and our fans, family, friends, and fans.
Family, friends, and fans, absolutely, and yeah, and anyway, look at this article right here to the right. It says U.S. dollar downturn, A's become bulls before 50K showdown. So U.S.
Bitcoin bulls. Oh, those are the Bitcoin maxis.
Right. U.S. dollar downturn, A's Bitcoin's bull. So I mean, does it really aid Bitcoin's boom? Let's see what they say here. I see the graph here. It's a Bitcoin challenged 46,800 on August 1st
August 11th.
August 11th. Sorry, I'm already in the past. August 11th as a weakening U.S. greenback added to a bullish momentum. So aiming for $50,000. Information from Cointelegraph, Market Pro, and TradingView confirm the BTC USD hitting highs of 46,787 on Bitsmart Wednesday. A hair waiting to the days gone by peak. Contemporary from voting day on U.S. infrastructure invoice. So this article is trying to relate it with what's going on in the U.S. Capitol and with the U.S. infrastructure bill and how it relates. I don't see it.
And they
maybe what it's trying to say, I believe what's going on is that because people are afraid of investors, because not people in general, it's just the investors, the people that are afraid with the inflation and the printing of dollars out of thin air. It would decrease the value of the greenback, and people are putting their money in not just digital assets or cryptocurrencies, but also putting in gold and silver. It's like to edge against this downfall of the U.S. dollar.
Because what's happening as the Fed continues to, and all central banks continue to cause the inflation by printing so much money, they don't change the economy of the people. And what cryptocurrency does, it helps you create your own wealth, become your own bank, and this is where the U.S. dollars basically fall two ways. By less use of it, if you use it less, the inflation goes way up, and so it's really inflationary. Inflation concerning the dollar means that there's too much circling around, and yet hardly anybody's using it. And then prices like food, just the supply chain goods that relates to anything that gets delivered to us. All of that's going up. Gas is going up, and the stock market is run by oil. Oil is the fuel of the stock market,
right?
And the fuel for cryptocurrency is technology. So, it's gonna be hard.
So I believe that I don't wish the U.S. dollar to go down, but more than likely, the people behind the scenes, the World Economic Forum, the World Bank, the IMF, they have particular solving mechanism for this downturn, and they call it their particular mechanism is called the Great Reset.
Yeah, the downturn.
So and the reason, and what they're doing is, for those that don't know, and please do your research. They're gonna XRP is gonna be the bridge currency for the world. What's that supposed to mean, Jeff? Digital. What do you mean by that? It means that everything is gonna connect everything together. It's gonna be the middleman between the euro digital dollar. The euro and the digital dollar. So it's gonna be everything's gonna be digitalized, but the infrastructure for this new financial system is the main player in this is a little known coin called XRP. And Ripple, the company, is the one that is making all the moves so this would happen. So this is not this is no BS, my friends. This is very true. So that's one reason why we are called XRP Family, because we believe that the infrastructure for this financial system XRP got a major part in it. What do you think?
I think that you're right, because right now I do watch different YouTube channels, and I even go to like other sources outside of YouTube that talks about how, that's pro XRP, that talks about how XRP is being adopted in different countries, different financial institutions, right. for something that they call a scam, because XRP is always one of the last to rise, but that's done purposefully. Yeah, for XRP to be adopted by respectable institutions, then there's something wrong going on with the propaganda concerning the major crypto like Bitcoin, because the propaganda is, everybody should get Bitcoin, right, while forgetting about the altcoins.
And I have nothing against Bitcoin, because I wish I would have purchased Bitcoin when, in 2010, 2011, 2013, when Bitcoin was like $900 a Bitcoin. Oh, if I would just have my $900, I would have been rich.
Wait, but in 2013, it was cheaper than 900.
It was, right?
Yeah, it wasn't on 900. Let me look. I'm gonna look at I'm gonna CoinMarketCap, my favorite site, because I'm an affiliate of CoinMarketCap, but I'll share that link with you guys in the future. So Bitcoin, it says here, so Bitcoin chart is opening. I'm gonna go all the way back, but yeah, I remember. I think it was 100 something.
No, man, that would have been great. You know what? If I would have known the secret about Bitcoin at that time, I would have worked my butt off and spend. As it was said, somebody said, if you would have spent $1,000 in Bitcoin back then, you would have like 500 million, something like that.
Yeah. So according to this, for example, I came from Dominican Republic September 13th, somewhere around there. So on September 15th, you know how much September 15, 2013? Talk about back then. I came from Dominican Republic September 13, 2013. But on September 15, 2013, at 8 p.m., the price of Bitcoin was $131.72.
What?
And now, at this point, it is at 45, or about 46,000, about 45,000.
Yeah. Wow.
And that's where you can't say anything about XRP being, like there's no promise for it. Like it can't go up there. Of course it can.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's gonna go up, and not just that. XRP, XLM, VeChain, Ethereum is gonna be up there. Ethereum is already up there. Litecoin is up there too. So there's gonna be people that the early investors in cryptocurrencies are gonna benefit once this bull run goes up. Yeah. And this bull run is not gonna stop. It'll probably absolutely the averages go. Everything goes up must come down. So that's when you need to time when you're gonna go in your exit strategy. So because it goes up, you have to exit before everybody start exiting at the same time, because you might not have the opportunity to exit. And also, this is continually going to go up in value in the years to come. In the next 5 years, it's gonna be XRP is gonna be known as big as Google, as Amazon. Mark my word on that.
And another word for cryptocurrency is virtual asset. I was looking at 3T. Was the success coach?
Coach JV. Shout out to Coach JV.
Yeah.
3T Academy.
3-tier family.
Yeah, they're great, and
I recommend them.
Yeah, recommend them. Yeah, definitely.
And one of my favorites is that channel Extra VOD.
Oh,
I love that guy.
Yeah, the
yeah. Like he'll talk and he'll slur, but he is so smart because he has 2 channels. Like another channel, he doesn't do all that. On the channel,
it's called Crypto Stocks.
It's crypto stocks.
Yeah,
so he's great.
Shout out to everybody in the XRP community.
That's supporting the community.
That's supporting the community. Everybody's doing their part. One day, and I manifested today.
We will be a part of them. We are part of them.
We are. But we're gonna have like a big conference, and it's gonna be a million of us, and we're gonna be in a big conference. It's gonna be like thousands, but it's gonna be like how that big, how they have those conferences like the Bitcoin conference. We're gonna have the XRP conference.
That's right,
and it's gonna be hosted by Jeff Digital and the brilliant Mr. Pedro, and I manifest this.
That's right.
Be part of the XRP family
with health, with wealth, with good relationships with people. That love us and we love them. And remember, affirmations are very important. I listen to affirmations every day. I recommend Bob Baker, Louise Hay. I was gonna say Louis Hay. Louise Hay, Bob Baker, they're great. But I want to, besides dropping names, I wanted to say that Shiba Inu.
Yes.
It's in me.
It's
going up and up and up.
Yeah, what? You gotta check it out. I invested in Shiba Inu, for those that don't know. But we both invested in Shiba.
But you know, Dogecoin, the dog is a Shiba Inu. The dog at Dogecoin, that's a Shiba Inu.
Right.
Shiba Inu is an actual dog. But the good thing about Shiba Inu that I respect is that they're trying to save the dog. The guy that created Dogecoin, one of the co-creator, not all of them, a co-creator, he is not a very fun guy. He's not a good guy, in my opinion. That's my opinion. Because he was like saying that really nasty things. I think he killed a dog. Maybe that was a rumor, internet rumor.
Probably internet rumor.
Yeah. But all I know is that he says that he didn't create Dogecoin so people become rich off of it. So why create a coin? That's what coins do, make you rich. I mean, that's the point. Hello.
For real. Let me go into this article because we're gonna go in and keep talking about XRP Ripple.
Yeah.
You want to read that for us, Mr. Brilliant?
Mr. Brilliant.
Mr. Brilliant, Mr. Pedro.
It's just the brilliant. Okay. Thank you very much. I will start this. Ripple's expansion in Asia continues. That's true, because think about it. If you go to fiatleak.com, you'll see. Oh, damn it! Hold on. I don't need the glasses. It's not fitting right. So let me read this. Ripple's expansion in Asia continues as the firm partners with one of the South Korea's largest remittance service providers. That's where I see in fiatleak.com, Korea, South Korea, not North Korea, taking a lot of XRP. Can you go down? Because I can't read.
Oh, sorry.
I can't read. Ripple's enlargement within the Asian Pacific continues because it companions with considered one of it companions with what is considered one of South Korea's largest remittance service suppliers. In the latest announcement on August 10th, I know it's not my fault it's written this way, but in the latest announcement on August 10th, Ripple introduced its partnership with South Korea-based remittance service supplier International Cash Categorica, GME for sure. I should just say GME. All right, so they joined. So South Korea's largest non-banking remittance service supplier. The partnership will allow GME to make remittances.
So that's what, for those in the United States, it should be equivalent to like a MoneyGram or a Western Union.
Yeah. Or what's the one that goes to Dominican Republic? What's that one called?
Rhea, and there's Boss Revolution.
I don't want to include them, but okay. They have bad memories of Boss. Those freaking cards that I had to buy for my mom, and oh god. Anyway,
you talk Spanish, Pedro?
Yes, I do. I'm brilliant. All right. So for this goal, by way of Ripple's international cost ecosystem, basically that remittance, that joining allows for a cheaper, quicker, and more sustainable, a more green bridge currency. For this goal, Ripple's international cost ecosystem, RippleNet, GME has already been linked to Siam Industrial Financial Institution, Thailand's largest by capital, and GME is benefiting from it. Nice.
So Ripple is expanding. They did, you know that I don't know, probably mentioned it to you, but 95% of Ripple's customers are not in the United States, even though Ripple is an American company. Interesting, right? But 95% of their business is outside of the United States. So when there's a regulation and clarity, guess who's going to be number one?
Asia.
No, I mean, guess what cryptocurrency is going to be number one?
Oh, sorry, XRP. Because
XRP.
Because of the utility. Sorry, man.
It's okay.
I was saying Asia was going to be number one.
Well, Asia apparently is 2 or 3 times ahead of the United States. Unfortunately, politicians have, especially the old oligarchy, the old
oligarchy,
oligarchy, the old people they don't want to move on to a new system. They want to keep the old system, keep the old slaves, but they don't want to free the slaves. And that's I mean it like that because there's no reason why in the 90s they were promoting so much the internet that today they don't want to keep evolving in the technology, and they want to stipend it, want to stop it, want to slow it down. They're like, no, slow down because I'm going to lose all that money. And what's going to happen is you're not going to need a bank basically to transact money. You're not going to need a Wells Fargo. You're not going to need a Citibank to send money to one another. So this is the evolution, my friends, family, fans. This is the evolution.
Remember that even now, you don't need a bank to send money. Because if you send it through MoneyGram, you don't need a bank. It may cost more.
It costs more, but
yeah.
But you still you don't need a bank, but with cryptocurrency, you just send it from your phone right directly,
and it costs less.
It costs less, and you don't need a bank. It'll be from the same ledger or the same. It'll be transacted. It won't be from, say, for instance, I gotta give the money to MoneyGram, and MoneyGram go ahead and sends it to somebody, say in Thailand, and then they receive it over there in the office or whatever. So that's a third. That's like the middleman. But with peer-to-peer network, it's gonna be me sending it to you, and not gonna be no middleman. So this is what bankers are afraid of, and they're very afraid of this.
Just like musicians were afraid of Napster, and even before them, LimeWire or whatever. Was it with LimeWire before or after? Anyway, that was a peer-to-peer trading of music. So that's what's going to happen. All right, go ahead, bro. I know it's almost time.
Yes. So to conclude today, you have anything want to share with us?
Yes. I want to say that I'm happy that you watched us. Subscribe, leave a comment, ask questions. We're still new to the chat part. We're trying to make sure that we chat with you. But talk to Beauty by Luisa. She is the moderator, and she'll tell us what's up. And remember to visit xrpfamily.com for your latest news.
Yes, and I want to go ahead and conclude. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button. We are in Twitch. We are in Facebook Live, and we're also in YouTube. So there's no reason not to catch us. If there is a reason, then it's not our fault. But with that, I want to leave this these news with the booming.
Hey, what's going on? Am I supposed to end this? Oh, I guess.